Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel, my Sunny Babes. Today I'm going to be doing a very fun video for you guys. So I don't know if you guys have seen in the first portion of this, you will have already seen one eye makeup look, which is a winged liner and a bold lip. Now on this portion, I'm going to be doing a more of a bold eye. So this is for my girls that like to go ham on the eyeshadow for New Year's Eve, and I hope you guys enjoy it. Just keep on watching. I'm going to be taking my Jackie Aina palette, which is actually upside down, my Jackie Aina palette, which I love, and I'm going to start with the shade Ginger. Packing it like this. You guys see? Packing it on. Blending it. I like the shade 𝓫𝓫 because I feel like it looks like my skin. Oh no, that's just creasing. Now I'm going to do this side. I'm going to pack this on. And blend her. If you guys see me looking this way, it's because my viewfinder is this way. So that's like the only way that I can see myself and make sure that I'm still filming. So if you see me look straight into the camera, that's what I'm trying to do. If you see me look this way, I'm really sorry. It's just I'm trying to make sure that I am filming and not having a problem. Okay, now that we have that shade, oh, my nose is itching. Okay, now that we have that shade, I'm going to go ahead and go into, you guys are about to be shook. I'm going to go into edges right here with the same brush, and I'm going to pack this in the crease now. I'm just going to blend it into Ginger. All of this will make sense in a minute, but for now, this is what we got. I'm just blending it into that ginger color. Packing it on. Blending. But I do want to use the Pure palette for some of these matte shades in here. So I'm going to go into the shade Debutante right here. And this is going to be our smoky, like, wine color. Oh, you guys, that is beautiful. I'm just taking this brush and using it to blend the edges of this. And here's something I learned. I never talked about what I learned. You flip the brush over and do it like this, and it does the blending for you. Isn't that crazy? If you flip the brush over, it will give you the perfect blend, because it is just, all you have to do is windshield wiper motions, and it will just give you the most beautiful blend. Like, look at that. I'm going to be using the NYX glitter primer. We're going to put this primer on my eyelid. Just gonna like sweep it on like so, I guess. And I'm purposely using a brush like this, like a flat top brush, so that I can really get some precision in here. Okay, once I lay it down, then I can take the brush and like go ham on the cutting portion. So I'm like really doing this here. If you don't want the glitter to fall off, you want to use a glitter primer. Otherwise, you're gonna get loads of fallout. And nobody likes fallout. Right here. I'm gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna pack this color on. Oh my gosh, y'all, this is so pretty. I'm gonna mix two colors together to give me that color that I'm wanting, which is like a champagne-y color. Alrighty, so we have the lashes on. I just used them in the shade Lush, like I said, and I'm going to take the shade 𝓬𝓵𝓷𝓷𝓮 from that holiday kit from NARS, and I'm just going to put this on. I already have liner on, so this is just going to be like the perfect peachy nude color. Y'all, that looks so good with the liner. This is like perfect. I would definitely wear this just because like the eyes are so like sparkly and nice and glam, and so we have this beautiful peachy nude lip to match with the eye, and I just love it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. I worked very hard on it. This took me 2 whole days full of filming, so please show me some love. Be sure to like this video, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.